So, although I make a lot of videos, I almost never talk about the YouTube channel itself, and I never talk about how I make videos, and I never implore you to subscribe to my channel or anything like that. I don't really think about the YouTube side of things very much. I'm just a gardener, just growing food for his family, as simple as possible, and I make YouTube videos in as low-key and simple way as possible. I do all the shooting on my phone, I do all the editing on my phone. I shoot most of the videos just sitting here in front of the camera on the phone and just illustrate them with little clips as I'm going along. And I do that because I'm in a very noisy place next to a building site and all that sort of thing, so I can't really shoot videos very successfully as I'm actually doing jobs on the allotment. But quite incredibly, I have somehow managed to accumulate 20,000 subscribers, and my videos have been watched 3 million times. Now, I know that is not very impressive in terms of, like, you know, YouTube stars or anything like that, but for me it's amazing. You know, I'm a shy, on the autistic spectrum guy, you know, not doing anything fancy, not wanting to do anything fancy, just sharing what I'm doing. And yeah, well, it's been pretty successful in those terms. So I just wanted to say thanks to all those viewers, and yeah, I'm keeping on making videos, and I want to make different videos as we go forward. I don't want to make the same old videos again and again and again every single year. I want to try and add something different, so more experiments, more complete life cycle videos, you know, starting from sowing the seed through to harvesting and things like that. Maybe a little bit higher quality videos, a few of those, but basically the same old format, nothing special, nothing fancy. Because I don't want to make the same videos again and again, I wrote a book, and that book is illustrated with thousands of videos, or many hundreds of videos anyway, that serve that purpose. You know, so if you want to know about sowing something, just go to the book and look in the sowing section. If you want to know about growing Brussels sprouts, go to the book, and there'll be a whole load of videos in the chapter of the book about growing Brussels sprouts from previous years. And I'll just gradually keep on updating those videos to reflect my current best practice. So I think, since I don't want to spend too much time talking about making videos, I'll draw this to a close, but thanks very much. And if you did, by chance, want to support me in my kind of mission to bring high quality, no frills gardening advice to people, especially people who want to grow fresh food all year round, then you can support me on Buy Me a Coffee. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.